How a 25-year-old stumbled upon freelancing, searching ways to earn money online and stick with it ever since. See what she did correctly and what advice she has to give to you. Let us go through her story and understand how is she doing currently. Welcome everyone. My name is Faiz and I'm the founder of Inshaan Corporation, and you are watching Successful Freelancer Series Part 2. And in this video, we'll be talking about Andrea Reggio. She's a freelancer from Venezuela. Freelancer.com also covered her story, which we'll be discussing in this video. Before starting this story, I would like to quote Daniel Calice: "Life is a journey, and the road we travel has twists and turns, and sometimes lead us to unexpected places and unexpected people. But in return, it always leads us to our destination." And that's what this story can relate to. Let's go through her story and understand some tips that she has to give. She was working in a finance sector, but always dreamed of more comfortable lifestyle where she could work in her own terms. She says, and I quote, "I was searching on the internet about ways to earn money online and stumbled upon freelancing." She studied English for 6 years and developed Spanish-English bilingual writing capabilities, which both enabled her to have a great head start in securing a job. However, she is keen to encourage freelancer with various capabilities. Finding work as a freelancer is possible. She says, and I quote, "You bid with a smart, well-written message and the employer won't mind if you don't have a huge reputation." As she worked hard to build a good status for herself, her success began to snowball. She says, and I quote, "I now get an average of on every 3 to 4 bids that I make. So it's really about accumulating good reviews." She also has an ebook published online, has worked on scripts for video games, has written blogs which has millions of views. She says, and I quote, "I used to read this blog before writing for them. I was very excited when I got the project." Despite the economical and political instability in her country, she has made a huge success for herself and her business. She cannot recommend freelancing enough. She is recommending it to everyone. She says, and I quote, "I'm not saying this because I heard or read about it somewhere. It is my personal success story." So Andrea loves theatre. She has her own YouTube channel as well. You can find link in the description below. She says, and I quote, "I love to communicate with others and saw them all the possibilities in the world if you just give yourself the chance to look for them." From the start of her freelancing journey, she has had big dreams about where she wants to go. Her long-term goal is to travel to Japan. She is studying the Japanese language as well in her spare time and has started saving money. She is very excited about her plans in future. She says, and I quote, "With freelancing, you can really make your dreams come reality." Now coming to the suggestion that she has to give is, the first one is never give up. It could take quite a few bids to achieve success, but keep on trying. She personally had to bid 31 times to get her first project. The second tip that she has to give is, it's easier with time. She now gets average of 1 project for every 3 to 4 bids that she makes. So it's all about accumulating good reviews. The third suggestion that she has to give is, give your best shot. You don't work behalf on any company. You work on yourself. Don't be shy. Don't be shy and prove yourself to the employer. The fourth advice that she has to give is, personalize your gig. Don't be too generic. And this is the same advice that Alex had to give as well. You can watch her video. The link is in the description below or in this I button. It is great if you can give great detail about your gig and your past experience so that the employer can have an idea about your project. Work on your communication skills. Communication is the key in this freelancing journey. And the last advice that she has to give is, be professional, nice and patient. So that's it from my side, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked our journey and the advice that she has to give. Before leaving, I would like to say that we are making a freelancing community where you can join in, chat with us. The link is in the description below. Join in, chat with us, make your own team, make your own freelancing team and achieve the level of success that every freelancer does. If you have any problem in starting up, talk to us. We will guide you properly. In this Discord channel, we will also be aggregating lead from various platforms so that you can have a good starting. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe to the channel because we'll be uploading more videos. So yeah, that's it from my side, guys. I hope you like this video. Goodbye and have a great day.